Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is J Claude, and today I'll be showing you how to edit a quick photo. So let's begin. So here I have a photo of my subject. Let's look at him. Beautiful. So as you can see, I'm using Adobe Lightroom instead of Lightroom Classic, which everyone prefers. However, I don't really know how to navigate through Adobe Lightroom Classic, so I'm using regular Lightroom. So unfortunately, Lightroom doesn't give you the histogram. At least I don't really know how to enable that, but we are going to just play it with our eyes. So let's see if we can, now I don't know if I want to, let's bring the exposure down. I think the exposure looks just a little better with it. Yeah, I think that looks pretty decent. Oh, you know what? Let's do auto. Let's see what auto has to offer. So that looks decent. That looks pretty decent. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I want to do much here. I'm gonna do it right now. Let's see if we can play with the curves here and see if we can bring the contrast just up, just like a little bit. Maybe you know, not too much. We'll say like that. I think that's good. Let's see. Yeah, you know, just like make it a little poppy, you know. Bring this. Let's see here. Ooh, no, it's a little much. I don't think it needs much highlight. I probably just will leave it. And then I don't know. We're just gonna. See if we can bring the orange. If we can make the bring the orange up just a bit, you know. I mean, cause why not? You know, it's fall. I mean, we want to show those colors, so I want to bring the orange out. Let's see. Maybe the reds. Let's see what reds. See what that does. Nothing. I'll say like 25. I'm already liking it. Nah, we're not gonna mess with any of this here, but what I will add to this photo is I am going to add a gradient, censor him, you know, let's bring it down just a bit, maybe just bring that up. We gotta invert it, let's not forget. And let's see. I think that might be a little too much, but let's see. Let's just keep messing around with it. See, we'll bring the blacks down. The shadows down. Well, maybe not. We'll leave the shadows. We'll leave the shadows and see what highlight. Should we bring the I don't know. We'll see. The contrast. Nah. Let's fix the exposure. Let's see if we can bring it more. See if we can bring it closer. I don't know. I kind of want it to look not noticeable, but at the same time, you know, like just really like focused. Okay, I think that looks good. So that's it now, and this is it before. So that's before, and that's after. I kind of like it. I don't know. I think it focuses more on him. You know, it's maybe we can do less of that, bring it up just a little bit more, because I think it's too heavy and it really is noticeable. But if we bring it up, yeah, it's like less noticeable and it's more like, you know, like he stands out. So I like it. I think we're gonna call it. Let's try to bring the orange down just a bit. Yeah, maybe like 17. Bring the contrast down just a bit. Maybe bring this down. Put this up. Give it like that. Yeah. Give it like that. Style. Yeah. Nah, I personally don't. I'm not a huge fan of that. I know people like that sort of like faded type filter. It looks cool. I probably would have gone with it like 2 years ago, a year ago maybe. But no, I think it's. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it. But we can do that, and we can say, yeah, you know, that's what we're going for, and that's the fun thing about, you know, editing. It's ultimately experimenting and just finding what works for you and what's your style. There's no right way of doing it. I don't want to sit here and say, okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. This is what we're gonna do. I mean, it's just okay. Let's see how we can make it look more presentable, and ultimately just finding that style and having fun with it, because it is fun if you like this sort of stuff. I'm trying to find that sweet spot. Let me go back here and let's fix. It's actually not pulled. It's not pulled the shadows out too much. We could maybe bring it. Nah, let's not do that. We're gonna leave. A lot of that stuff. Bring it like that. So let's look at the difference. Okay, so there is a difference. It's just kind of hard to like determine it, I guess. We can bring the highlights down. Yeah, that's what we can do. We can bring the highlights down. That way, like the background kind of like fades down, but like he sticks out. Now I'm not going to bring it all the way down, even though that does sort of work. But we'll bring it down like just like, I don't know, maybe like 30 or 40, in that range. It kind of does work like that though. I'll do. Man, okay, look, because I said between 30 and 40, I might just do 35 just to meet it between. It's kind of tricky. I'll do 30. How about that? All right, 30. We'll leave the feathering alone. Let me mess with this just a little bit. That works. So what I'm gonna do is hit this to share. I'm gonna hit that, and then JPEG large, and we export it. And then let's see, so this is it now, and this is it before, after. Now there's definitely, like, the after definitely has more character. Well, it has a sense of character. It definitely gives it a more distinguished look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one with this, without the, you know, that filter that we just put over it. You know, let's see how that one looks. Let me see here. So we got the before, and then we have the after without the filter, and we have it with the filter. So I don't know. It just, I mean, they both look good. I like them both. I really cannot choose. They both look better than the before picture. It's definitely more focused on the subject, the orange colors pop out. You can actually clearly see the sky here, and it just stands out more in this one. Yeah. Anyways, that was I don't want to say like a tutorial, because I mean, I guess it's a tutorial, but it's more of a breakdown of how I go about editing some of the photos that I edit in Lightroom. If you guys like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do the animations, let me know. That's it's a little more complex. It's a little more to it than that. I know Joel Haver did a tutorial on how he does his animations, so you can definitely check that out. The way I do mine is a little bit different, and but if you want a tutorial, just let me know. I'll do one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.